Ubwansu bw'Gusii.
Mano mwancho murigero Ndizi TV no kwegena kwande buna nogenderete ko kwego kya kubwate mirobiri yonsi eritko ryarere krarere ritko rya Jumanne tariki emeronkebere cyumutinyi o gatano na gatatu umwaka w'ibere na meronko eberene namagagenderete ko korekana iminsi ya Kenya ekero rya soire ritko rya kabere asebungeye Senate awase o mogosumu gavana we county ya Meru Kawira Mwangaza agenderete go ikirana busyo gusagenderete kwegerera kubatkana namo mucyaya mu bwatrente akoirera Tiaba MCA kurase County Assembly ya Meru ko mwaka isiko ase etunda ya gatatu neru tukoboigo omuwaziri asamanganaria ya East Africa OSERO abakagotiani wabene naboigo mwatoni general abo barachiego chaka kubwatkobokoreri ase chiabisi cyo murobiro korekana se nyumba y'obura State House ime yomocho Nairobi charagire CHINSA IKOMI cyabona mugorobangu kwariganya SMS AMAYA eyo nkumanya ina kwariganire asenchera ere yobwenge gendera tonyora sesemo ya Facebook wetera Ndizi TV News Digital asesemo ya YouTube watunyara wetera Ndizi TV News na vigase website ito wetera www.ndizitv.net elio togendre husanga subwamo. Tariane EVERYNE LYDIAH musenera toko bwatra na sensemo imanyerero nabigo Sara mumanyi nero kwene kyachibicha niryo gichawe kire asentra yabene goko ari antucha kama ya CHINSA IKOMI asentra ere yobwenge kurwase county ya Kisii na magaga yegati yabamenyi kurwase sensemo ya gosasensemo ya ichuni yotoka imebunge ya Nyaribari masaba county ya Kisii abetaba wesokia na kogikirege kore ase omo women representative we county ya Kisii Siaburi donya abetega kugererwa tinga kichietaro yumrai wense Dr. William Samuel Ruto liskolale rnainde nigo igati abamenyi babire bawe sokya na kumuchia donya sekere abagoteba buna nigo atanya gwikirana senseme ya ichuni kurachinga kyaswete asobura yeri gotegerera ekirero kyabo naboigo kubaikiraniria amagendro nigo boigo babire bakumuboya kwene kyabuna nkwariganiare ege ikaro amona barabwiri go kwanira amagani abo buna abamenyi kurwa sensemo ya ichuni okwana chinga kiechoni gomwe MCA gode ya ichuni Wycliffe Siocha abereka gutuguterare chinkuma buna nere betega koroberia umuroberio yobwo kugererwa kwa yedonya asatere buna nere buya ababe gosenere buya chingwana chibechi gokorekana no koiwana ero kuri ya chinchira cyokoreta amagendro nigo boigo babere bagukwarira igoro yege kore asabantu kuro chinsemecho chechuni babete bagotagorerwa chinyomba sensemo yekirbo na koboria ko esa nakuru kubore ucha serikali kwene kiabuna abantu abo babire bako nyora gukwanerwa nabagokorerwa compensation ase kyabere na banke babonigo bagenderetego chandeka kubwatkara n'ugutagurirwa w'ikinyomba cyabo
omwesimio korukutonya otwa mwete chikura tanya korokana nane litkeli moga igogerere tumuisonde gaiga agateba ngaba no moroseirie iraini gaba natara koragente ekyo tonya tigamanye na nintu abantu bekerwo twakoletente twamuogererete intu omonto gotoikange togotebia magendero oinero tole gokomo ichuni gwoti tane gutajana ero umwana itoga tuiborete kurungaga lakini tane gojaga no itukerima tukwanise myake yonse abeire obugambi
toigwaile simole mire mata bogirango goeto etire goeta ichuni gwodi ntuntu anakomorraga iga
toke bwato bororo abantu ogo barware tabatagurire kinyomba bakagoikarero igamba ni kumikemeturo twachire kuganyabe CHINSA mangaki onde na Rwanda arwe comfort egara gakino na abarense gusemba goroke bana kanyar muntu kwaremi tonya toto guteganse ino iwoire no gwente gochotare oremye abantu bamino obago semeria
abantu bagekiri no musubati gorugudonya na abantu baye baichuni bagwake kura
tanye gutacha ichuni ituko lyo kata chite ichuna matanga isemoke na asa matanga ari isemoke no are kondo kerenje kerentane tari orando kerete kerentane so igabandu bekerubo babwate mechando yabo tigabaya guchinga gichabo chingororo eria kabere gento tetokoteba nekeiga abantu bekerubo mbachandeka chinyomba chiabo chigatagorwa muraita iyo nonye noyo moba igetanga amanyenga ngaki abantu abatagorwa chinyomba na kibati garabali because umuntu oyo mbona asirete abandi ababwate pressure abandi mbamba ko bachibalimo muraita iyo nonye noyo monga bakwananga iga ubaigetanga koragendo kiek yani na baruwanerera osemba nyore gendo tikerito koroka compensation mwanya gukwana rugoro ya compensation iga igo egendo ngatabangeri ngatika abantu bekerubo basikwe abantu bayichuni basikwe abayiboli bekerubo n'abantu bayichuni babwata abana batagete pasa lyeri kurwase ekeganje kerikia women babwata chibasha affirmative action fund abantu bwata abana abanyaroka agayiga bake batagete bitichiro mwanya korera mumungino bitichiro gayi
Hengana yobugati we University asensemo ya Kiabunyorime County ya Nyamira nigegenderete koreta ebirengereryo ase abananchi naboiga bwatani magega yumuraibense Dr. William Samuel Ruto kurowo chike University yabege kwa gachwa senseme yojinga kichitaro yaye ime yorongorwa gusiane na se county ya Nyamira nigobone ebirengereryo abigenderete korwe wachinga ki egati yabananchi bagenderete kwokoboke getamkirekyo nabande baigo kukana borona oteba senseme ya Kiabunyoru nigete yasagiya ase University yo kwagachwa nabono nigo aba kansela bakoro bakora wana Patrick Bugongo babiri bawesoke nakubwatwe birengere byabo asimono babiri bakwege tambukero enganiyega nagoteba Kiabunyoru nasagiye kigimase University yerabege kwagachwa notabuna nege tambukero kirachi gokonya ase obukinesemiyo nabigo bukinia asoko bukinia account ya Nyamira asensemo ya magendero
naiga goto nomo goto mena bakansora abagambi baito be county abakansora goji Ward Jones tokoligereria amangana anyamira county na ekeroto ya ligererio to wakera His Excellency President William Ruto Samuel ingambu yamano eso waje gotobekera ligana lyo boroso ali Kiabunyoru ya university university ye ntwa yetetie 1998 akaronde deputy mayor Nyamira town council ntwa yetetie university ye wetera chi minute cha sanetuwe wetera CDDC ko identify CHINSA mu mara gatatu to identify sironga lyakimai na Kiabunyoru and to gaikananse committee to gaiti restoration inga tiga university eru Kiabunyoru ase bona iga igoto wakera His Excellency President Ruto ngambi yamono ase ngijo kubwatya chi previous minutes wetera leaders barororo igogo tobekera ligana lyo boroso igonto ye begetenga ntwa yeta pressings
igo asayo iyo tebanga oya ba minto ntode tutora mane abarai ba minto abachumbe mora mana egina kiegente kenene sikana nekero moko enda kuliye ntogenda sobwamo nekero ko enda mako mogwetana ejuni gomo ekorkinga nintwe mwasu mbwa abantu aba tolenkae
University tariero yoka tware gusaba se county yitu ebintu ne binge tosari kuligereria ebintu tutaranyora ne binge sana igo president yitu na twamwa kretembu yamona to etegen tukeri na ndi tugusaba obusies buna bwakite semeri abusongo ekero
Omurobere obwoko batiania omwatoni General Docas Odora mono mwaziri EAC Beatrice School nigo bago gokorekana bene ditkoria lero asenyomba yobora State House meyo mocho Nairobi oyoba kogo ikiranwa na ababwatani gati umurai wese Dr. William Samuel Ruto naboigo abateneneri korwa sensemo yebigambero nigo babera abo baba koria chira achiogo chia korwa obokoreri borobo ikirano akobwatia richiko liye katiba imeyense ya Kenya gokora umemero gose okore mirimo yabo asenchira yekene obwasioku naboigo amaskani asechinga kichonsi
I Dorcas Agik Odong Odwor being appointed as the Attorney General of Kenya do swear that I will at all times be faithful to the Republic of Kenya, that I will obey, respect and uphold this Constitution of Kenya and all other laws of the Republic, that I will well and truly serve the people and the Republic of Kenya in the office of Attorney General, that I will undertake to hold my office as the Attorney General with honor and dignity.
I, Beatrice Askul Moe, being appointed a Cabinet Secretary of Kenya, do swear that I will at all times be faithful to the Republic of Kenya, that I will obey, respect, and uphold this Constitution of Kenya and all other laws of the Republic, that I will well and truly serve the people of the Republic of Kenya in the office of the Cabinet Secretary, that I undertake to hold my office as a Cabinet Secretary with honor and dignity, that I will be a true and a faithful counselor to the President for the good management of the public affairs of the Republic of
Kokona chinga kiechene kyogotianwa kwabo ningo muraiwense Dr. William Samuel Ruto abaga kubakira ngambia mono na ko koenekia na ko sekworokia okwege na kwaye buna kubwatkana nobo manyoba bera babwate nigo barachie kubwatuka obokoreri borobwekiranu ase CHINSA mecho bagochia kurobo obokoreri nigo boiga baga kuria ira yogochia ko gendera kubabwatse na boigo kubasira sobokoreri bwabo ase abaganire kubeka omokia bokoreta amaunchorerio ya magendero ase CHINSA mecho bakora na boigense ya Kenya asobwagare.
Congratulations to you on your appointment, approval by Parliament, and subsequently on you assuming office today. I am very confident that this appointment is well deserved because of the experience that I know both of you have in public service. I am very confident that you will discharge your responsibilities with integrity and to the best of your ability in the service of the nation. I promise to support you, to assist you, because your success is going to be the success of the government of Kenya and our nation as well. To Dorcas, you come into office as a very critical moment in our nation. I will advise you to carefully read the manifesto upon which this government was elected. We have 3 fundamental issues that we consider important in the service of the people of Kenya. To my sister Beatrice, congratulations. As has been said, you know, East Africa is the biggest market of Kenyan products. The East African community is the most progressive community in our continent. And a lot will be expected of you and your colleagues from the other partner states as you shepherd and steer this community to harness the collective potential of the 300 million people in the East African community.
Abantu 13 nigo bainekiwa gosiria magi mabo na bande imeronko wetani imeronko 5 gutigerwa chingo memambia rero chinga kibabwatirani wanu baskano bwepara asensemo ya miga epare nene ya Nakuru Eldoret o mubaskano bago koyebwatirania basi yemone garienke yomonto nyene koenekya gekorekyo no regional commander Jasper Umbati korwa sorgongo rwa Rift Valley oyote babune basi nigo ya Syria oboroso magega yogo sarekachi goseko butoka nago sarekachi break koirera omubaskano yo kweneke wabatirwa chingoma nigo bamyokyo cha sechnyegetari au asabanke babagendrete konyorubwenya.
Unfortunately, 13 people have lost their lives and a total of 55 injured and evacuated to various hospitals. Of those who have lost their lives, from the past, we have a total of 11. We have a total of 11, and from the small car, we have a total of 2. The small car was carrying 5 passengers, including the driver, and of the 5, 2 are the ones who succumbed. The 3 were evacuated to hospital. From the past, we had a total of 11 fatalities, and this includes
Waziri w'uburimi Andrew Muhia nigainekeiria barimi goro yembusuro enkiya nabo igo yerigorire insego kwana asomusangirikano mutangani w'Chinse igoro yebirenko byembusuro engiya sikia bisinene cia Kefis memucho Nairobi nigatere buna ogo tekere mbusuro engiya na komono kwa ireire kwirana inse ko barimi nerigesarigiya emergency ya Kenya Muhia munababwatani bande korwa Chinsemo ao nigo banekia emerobere mekirano ayogo cia kwenekia embusuro engiya se abarimi asekerenga kyogo kinyarigesa imense ya Kenya.
Kenya and other African countries have invested heavily in seed production, infrastructure and services over the last 2 decades. The government of Kenya moves to enhance the production of certified seeds and combat counterfeit seeds in strategic and so that it is strategic and increase affordability to certified seeds.
Majority of the farmers in the rural areas tend to recycle the seeds, and therefore they end up in low production.
Kefis board management and the staff are alive to the opportunity to make lasting impact on executing the mandate of ensuring safe agriculture quality, availability of the safe quality seeds, and also ensuring that our plants are healthy and they can sustain the product.
Ekiombe kia Polytrack nigo kia bwatukiro roboti rokoro keiguru yobokoreri wabakonyi baba wazira sechi wizara au asekorengana no roboti oruo angekerengo kemerenko 5 nomo neyemo igoro yemiago se 61% agekoro kia buna aba Kenya nigo baganetie amaunchorerio gose ogwa kwa isiko akwegati yaba obisabu kubwatukana no gotekereria obokoreri bure obwikirano.
42.5% of respondents noted unlikely and very unlikely as their response on the improvement of services by the broad-based approach by the President, expressing a negative report on the effectiveness of the new alternative, with 40.2% expressing that they expected improved service delivery by the new executive lineup. Now, 41.8% of the respondents supported the reshuffling of principal secretaries in the various state departments, with 61.8% noting that this would constitute a positive or negative effect of
Rabati orona rotere tomoire wa mayaye CHINSA IKOMI asenchira ere yobwinge kurinda yomunaenda mangino chukumirana nere Vincent Onyancha eri akumanya senchira yobwikiranuge kuraga enseyemo na boigo CHINSA isato myemona bali base bali amwesi mugenderete gotobwati akorwa se CHINSA ao na boigo asensemo yemitandao inyora na butambe murubire ya Ndizi TV na bogotonyora asensemo ya Facebook wetera Ndizi TV News Digital asensemo ya YouTube watonyora wetera Ndizi TV News na boigase website yeto wetera www.ndizitv.net ero togendere gusanga nabago kumanya buna watka korwa se CHINSEMO ao anene emergency ya Kenya ero triane EVERYNE OSERO LYDIAH mosinere twabwatira na sensemo yebimenyererio nabago Sara Mumanyi nero enekya buna chibichanerio gicha wekere asenchira bene kukuganeria burigereri boro bya semero bure kubwatya nabago emagoroba erentoerero